Hi guys, so today we are going to do section 3, business loans. And you may have remembered doing simple interest business loans or car loans or blah, 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 blah. It's going to be similar, except you don't have to add your interest onto your original principal. So this is going to be a one and done formula, which is kind of nice. The formula that we're going to be using is A equals P, and P is going to be multiplied by 1 plus RT. P stands for principal, like the amount you're taking your business loan out for. R is the rate, which would be the percent transformed into a decimal. T is the time, like the number of years that you're taking that loan out for. All right, so we're going to do 7A together. And then 8 is where you would figure out the monthly payments for that loan. All right, so for number 7, I'm just going to go ahead and set up my equation here. P is $65,000. That's how much I'm taking that loan out for. Multiplied by 1 plus the rate is 3.5%. I'm going to transform that into a decimal by moving the decimal point over 2 places to the left. When I do that, I have 0.035 multiplied by the T, which is 7 years. All right, so now it's kind of like just solving for x or simplifying this equation. The first thing that I have to do is look at my parentheses to see if there's anything in there that I can simplify. And I can take this 0.035 multiplied by 7 to simplify that. And I could also add 1 onto that because these are all like terms. And when I do that, I get 65,000 times 1.245. And when I multiply that through, I get 80,925. And that would be your answer. So that's all you got to do for 7, A, B, and C, and you already have A as a free answer. All right, when you get to number 8, you're going to be pretty much doing the same thing, except you have one more step you have to do. Okay, so let's go ahead and figure out the total amount I'm going to be paying on this business loan for the 10 years that I have it by using this formula. A, meaning the total amount or the final amount, equals the principal, 72,000, multiplied by 1 plus 0.06, right? I just took this percent and made it a decimal by moving the decimal point over 2 places to the left, times 10. All right, so I need to combine the like terms in these parentheses. And when I do that, I get 72,000 multiplied by 1.6. Multiply those, and I get 11,500 and, oops, missing a 0, I think. There we go. That's a little better. Okay. $115,200. Okay. So that's how much total I'm paying after 10 years. In order to figure out how much I'd be paying per month, I need to figure out how many months is in these 10 years. So 10 times 12, because there's 12 months in a year, means I have this loan for 120 months. I'm going to be making payments on it for 120 months. So I'm going to divide my answer down here by 120 to get my monthly payment. And when I do that, I get $960. All right, so for 7 and 8, you're using this formula. For 7, B, and C, you're done after you use that formula. You don't have to do any other like adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing. For 8, the only thing that you have to do after you've simplified that formula is you just have to figure out how many months are in the total number of years that you have that loan, divide your answer by the number of months that you have the loan to get your approximate monthly payment. If you guys have any questions, let me know.